morning, students. Today we are going to know about Microsoft Word. So Microsoft Word, it is actually a word processing program that provides the users for doing some documentation, and it can be used for creating typing letters, reports, newsletters, magazines, brochures, etc. And these are the icons for different versions of Microsoft Word. So you can see this first one was the 1995 to 1997. This was the MS Word icon. And during the year of 2000, so this is the version for MS Word icon. And then 2003, this is the icon. And 2007, where most of the users are using is 2007. So this is the MS Word icon symbol. And then 2010. So little what advanced options will be there when compared to the previous versions. So MS Word is a word processing program that provides the users for doing some documentation work. And now let us see what are the other uses of MS Word for office work. So for office work, they use MS Word to prepare a letter, and then they use to prepare application forms, and then for preparing notices to be sent, and preparing fax and memos, and preparing some legal pleadings, and for preparing the meeting agendas, and preparing calendars, resumes, and to send reports. These MS Word, these are the uses of MS Word in office. Okay, and then this is the window, MS Word window. So to open MS Word, first thing you have to install MS Office package. Okay, so if you are using a system, you are going to click Start, All Programs, MS Office, and then MS Word 2007 or 2010. According to the version, you are going to click. Okay, after that you will be getting this window. So here the parts of MS Word, it is given here. You can see the first one, title bar. So where you are going to give your file name. Okay, so here your file name will be displayed at the top of the title bar. And you can see here some quick access toolbars. Some icons will be in the form of images. You can see here this is called as the quick access toolbar. Okay, and then this is going to be your working area. So where we are going to type the content, and then this is called as the cursor. You can see a thin line here. The thin line, the black color thin line, it is called as the cursor, where you used to type the content. So here you can see the type content FFI, and then you can see one cursor line here, and then the right side you can see the vertical scroll bar, and then it is used to move up and down of your page, and then down there will be horizontal scroll bar, and here you can see at the bottom zoom slide, where you can increase and decrease your page size. You can zoom in or zoom out of your page. And here next you can see the document view of your document will be displayed here. And then status bar, you can see the status bar, and here it will be displaying like English language that we are using, whether it is in Asia or Australia, something that country, that language name will be displayed, the status bar. And then you can see here the page number. What is the page number, how many words we have typed so far, everything will be displayed in the status bar. And then this is the ruler page, and these are few parts of your MS Word window. Okay, and then now let us see how to create a new file. For that, first thing you have to open your MS Word by clicking Start, All Programs, MS Office, MS Word 2007 or 2010. Okay, and after that you are going to click the File tab. Okay, so here you can see the file tab. So in few versions, the button here at the top, you can see the home office button. This office button you have to click. Okay, so few versions it will be directly like file and then click. You have to click new and then double click on blank document. Or in few versions it will be like there will be no option called the file. Instead of that, you can see at the leftmost top corner you can see the office symbol. You have to click this one and then new and then double click. You will be getting this window where you are going to type the content. Once you have typed your content in the working area, you have to save your file. Okay, so then only we can use it for our later purpose. So next thing, you are going to save your file using save command. As usual, you are going to click this office button. Under that you will be getting the save option. Okay, you are going to click save option, file and then save option. Or another way to save your file is you are going to click Ctrl plus S. The shortcut key to save your file is Ctrl plus S. And then you are going to give your file name. For example, if I ask you to prepare a document about your biodata, so you are going to save your file called biodata and then click the save button. Your file will be saved in the particular location. Desktop means desktop, or otherwise we want to save your particular folder, you can save your file in that folder. So once it has been saved, you are going to once again open that. Okay, so once you have saved and you have closed your file, so next thing you are going to open your file. So how to open your file? So open command is used to open an existing document. So if you want to make any changes, or if you want to add some more information, or if you want to take a printout, so you are going to open that particular file. Now you are going to open the file name called biodata, which is saved under the desktop. Okay. Now how to open? You are going to click file and then open. Or another way to open your file is using the keyboard. You are going to press Ctrl plus O. Okay, Ctrl plus O. This is the shortcut key for opening your file. So then after that you are going to select your file name and then click open. Your file gets opened. Okay, this is the way to open your file. And then if you want to close the particular file, you are going to click file and then close. Or using the keyboard means you are going to press Ctrl plus F4 key. Okay, so this is the shortcut key to close your particular file. If you want to close the biodata file, you are going to just press Ctrl plus F4, or another method is file close. The particular biodata file alone gets closed. And then the last option is exiting the Word. The process of closing MS Word is called as exiting Word. So if you want to close the entire MS Word application, so you are going to exit the Word. So that is the process of closing the MS Word is called as the exiting Word. So what will happen once the user exits Word? All the open files will be closed. Whatever files, not only one file can be open, at the same time you can open lot of files. Okay, so if it is not saved, what the Word will ask is you have to save them before exiting. Okay, once before you are going to close, that is exiting from the complete MS Word, it will ask us to, you ask the user to save the file. Whether we are going to save the file means click yes, and if you are not going to save your file, then click no. Okay, then you can exit from your Word by clicking the close button at the right top corner of the MS Word window. This is called as the close button. Or another way to close or exiting from the complete MS Word is Alt plus F4. This is the shortcut key to get exit from the entire MS Word window. Okay, so these are the few things that we have discussed so far. So first thing, what is MS Word we have discussed, and it is a word processing program, so that allows the user for doing some documentation work. And then these are other purpose of MS Word used in Office. And then how to, then this is called the parts of your MS Word window. And the first thing we have discussed is how to create a new file. And then you are going to save your file by either choosing file save, or another method is control plus yes. And then how to open your file we have discussed, either file open, or you are going to press control plus O. And then how to close the particular file alone, so either you choose file close, or you have to press control plus F4. And then finally how to exit from the Word, you are going to either choose close button, or you are going to press Alt plus F4. So these are the things we have discussed today. This is the basic introduction to MS Word. Thank you, children.